Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a plan for study. First, let's set clear goals. Begin by defining what you want to achieve in each study session. Break down large assignments into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes the process less overwhelming and helps you track progress effectively. Prioritize your subjects based on their difficulty and upcoming deadlines to ensure you focus your energy where it's most needed. This foundational step is crucial for an effective study journey. Now, let's craft an effective study schedule. Allocate dedicated time slots for each subject, whether daily or weekly, ensuring consistent engagement. Remember to incorporate short breaks, typically 5 to 10 minutes, every hour to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Scheduling regular review sessions is also vital to reinforce learned material and improve long-term retention. A well-structured schedule provides a clear roadmap for your academic success. Next, let's explore some powerful study techniques. Active recall is incredibly effective. Try testing yourself on material without looking at your notes. Employ spaced repetition, reviewing information at increasing intervals to boost long-term memory. Another great method is to explain concepts aloud as if teaching someone else. This process helps solidify your understanding and reveals any gaps in your knowledge, making your study time more productive. Finally, it's essential to regularly review and adapt your study plan. Assess its effectiveness and don't hesitate to make adjustments based on your performance and changing needs. Tracking your progress and celebrating small achievements, like mastering a difficult concept, can significantly boost your motivation. Remember to be flexible and willing to modify your schedule as needed. A dynamic plan is a successful plan for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.